G'day and welcome back to another gas walkthrough. Today we're looking at May 5th, 2025's Sudoku X by Clover. Clover's one of our sellers here at Gas HQ somewhere. My name is Bill Murphy. G'day, how you doing? Happy birthday to my mother for yesterday. Don't forget to drop a happy birthday Yuta. That's Jutta in the comments. As long as along with your hat times, you know. My name is Bill Murphy. G'day, how you doing? I've had a really long day. I'm looking forward to recording this. We are Gas, genuinely approachable Sudoku. We create, set, and solve genuinely approachable Sudoku for you, the person watching this. You will find the link to today's puzzle in the description down below. You will also find hat times. 2 hats is a very fast time. 1 hat is a pretty fast time. And everyone gets a dinosaur because we love you all equally. You'll also find something very interesting today. There is a link to a YouTube video on our channel. It's unlisted, so you will need to look at this link specifically if you want to see this solve. It is a very quick solve of today's puzzle. Really quick. Now, who does it belong to? If you can drop a guess in the comments, you may earn yourself a bonus hat. You may earn yourself a second bonus hat. That is right, there is a total of 4 maximum hats today. If you can tell us who solved this puzzle before I did, and can you be faster than them? And I'm going to warn you, they're pretty fast. They're very known for being very fast. Alright. That's it. Now, we should probably get into today's puzzle. So, this is Sudoku X. Now, all you need to know today, normal Sudoku rules apply. Each box, each row, and each column must contain the digits 1 to X, 1 to 9 ones each. Now, we also have marked diagonals. So, digits do not repeat along either of the marked diagonals. That's it. That's all you need to know to solve today's puzzle. I'm going to give it a go. Let's get going. So, 1, let's look at the ones. Now, I took a very quick look at this puzzle. I don't think I actually nailed it. So, we can do that box by a Sudoku. 3 can't go in any. 1 is forced, because we've got 1, 1, and 1. 3 can't go in those 2 cells, 3 goes there, 2 has to go there, and 9 must go there. Now, 4 goes here, and 5 here. Where does 9 go in box 9? Has to go there, there's nowhere else it can go. 3, 4, and 6 to finish this out. That's great, we got the 6 there. Now, 7 and 8 over here, and 5 and 6 over here. 5, 6, 7, 8, no. That sees 5 and 8, that's 5 and 7, 5. Okay, so that's not going to do it for us. Now, where does 1 go? Let's have a look. So, 1 can't go anywhere along the diagonal except for these 2 cells. Where else can 1 go? 1 can't go anywhere except those. 1 has to go in this box somewhere. 1 has to go here, because if 1 can't go along any of those cells and any of those, because we have the 2 1s down here, 1 has to go here, which forces 1 to go here, and here, and here, which places the rest of the 1s in the grid. That's pretty funky. I like that. Now, where does 2 go? 2 has to go somewhere along this diagonal. 2 must go here. So, that puts 2 there. 2 in one of those 2 spots. 2 has to go along this diagonal. 2's got 2 there. Now, let's look at 4s. You can hear the confidence in my voice when I say let's look at 4s. 4 has to go one of those 2 cells. Where does 4 go along? Oh, no, that's not quite right. Oi. Okay, 4, where does 4 go? 4's in one of those two cells. 4. Yeah, that's not super helpful. Alright, where does 3 go? 3 can't go along any of those cells. 3 has to go there. Now, can I do anything else with that? Not really. Wow. Sorry, gang. I've had a long day at the office. Alright. Oy, oy, oy. What am I missing? Okay. I don't want to resort to cheating and using conflict tracker. Alright. I'm gonna... Yeah, that's what I thought. Nothing useful there. Okay, what else have I got going on here? 1, 2, 3. So this has to be 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Alright, so that's 5, 7, and 9. 5, 6, and 9. And this is an 8. Oy, oy, oy. This is not my greatest effort. Well, that's pretty bad. That's a 7-8 pair, gang, along the line. So let's try that with like this. That's a 6, that's a 5, that's a 6. Which can take, oh, pardon me, I'm gonna move my mic over. Takes 5, 6 out of here. Now, that is still a 7-8 pair, which means that's a 9 because I can't put 7 along there. Now, oy, oy, oy. 5, 7, and 8. Oh, 5 can't go in either of those two cells. One via the diagonal and one there. So that's a 5. Now, that's a 7, 8 pair. 8 there is going to be very useful. 8, and that's an 8. 5 here, and 4 there. 3 there, and a 4 there. This is a 7 and an 8. Now, alright. 5, okay. 3, 5, 6, and 7. This cell sees 5, 7, and 6, so that's a 3. This one can't have a 5, that one can't have a 7, and that one can't have a 6. That's as useful as... I was hanging out with my country family, and they said some very country things. I'm not going to repeat any of them because I'm too terrified of getting demonetized. Alright, that can't be a 5, so that's a 6, 7. Alright, let's look at my 3s. Okay, wait, let's actually do some real work here. This is an 8, 9 pair. This is a 4, 7 pair. And now this is 3, 5, and 6. Take 3 out of there. This is a 4, 5 pair. That's just a 6, man. That's pretty bad, even by my standards. 7, 6, and 5. This is a 4 and a 7. Take 6 out of there. 8 and 9. Not an 8, that's a 6. Boy. Take the 6 out of here. 5 and 8. I really like this puzzle. Would you believe that tomorrow's gas, well, it's going to be today if you're following along at home, but like, is inspired by this puzzle, but I was really bad at this. I just really like the aesthetics. But we are mostly through today's puzzle. I don't even think I get 1 hat from this. This is pretty bad. Oh. But, great puzzle. I'm terrible. That's a really important distinction to remember, gang. But, so, that's been Sudoku X by Clover. My name is still Bill Murphy. Don't forget to check out the bonus solve of this video done by somebody much faster and much smarter than me in the description down below. And wherever you are in the world, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. And I will catch you next time.